Hi shooters, James here from Bathurst Rifle Club. This tutorial is designed to help the competitors navigate Silver Mountain targets as a scorer for our Open Prize Meet. I would like to thank the competitors firstly for entering in our prize shoot, as it means a lot for our small club to be able to host the event, and Bathurst Rifle Club wishes you all the best. Now let's get into the tutorial. As a scorer, you'll see this page on the scorekeeper's tablet. The first action to take place is assigning you as a scorekeeper. This is done by tapping on the scorekeeper box and selecting OK on the pop-up. The scorekeeper box will now turn green, and you can see the box below now has the option to select F class or Iron class scoring. Select the appropriate for the shooter. Don't worry if you have the wrong class in for your shooter, as this can be changed anytime during the string so that the scores are calculated on the system correctly. We'll be utilising a Super V on the target for target rifle and sporter shooters. This is for visual only and will not be used for countback purposes. You are welcome though to use them as bragging rights over your fellow competitors to say you had more shots closer to the centre of the target. Now let's get in for a demonstration on converting sighters and changing between F and Iron class to get the appropriate scoring. So we can see here we'll put 2 shots on targets, and you can see the Super V is now visible. But if I select F scoring, it'll now change to a 5 and an X. So depending on which shooter you have, select Iron or F class, and then you also now have the option to convert one or convert both. So we're going to leave it on F class and we're going to convert one. Now as the shooter will continue to fire through all their shots, you don't have the option to save the string yet until all 15 shots for the match, or 10 shots if it's a 10-shot match, have been put on target. You can now see that 15 shots have been fired. We have the option to save final scores. We also have our final score and our X count. Now if I move this over to Iron, it'll automatically convert that as well. So you can see here it's a 75 with 12 Vs, and for F class it's an 87 with 4 Xs. To save it, you simply select Save Final Scores, and in the pop-up box, please enter the competitor's number, not your number as the scorekeeper, the competitor's number that is shooting. So for this example, our competitor that's shooting number is 12, so we're going to enter in 12 in the pop-up box, and we're going to select OK. This will save the string and save it to the Silver Mountain target system, where our admins can look them up later on if there is an issue with the scoring or anything like that, and also for our IT manager to be able to download, save the strings and upload them to the Bathurst Rifle Club's website for you to view after the shoot. We please ask that if you're familiar with Silver Mountain targets, please do not attempt to log in as admin or scorers on the day. Thank you for watching this tutorial, and I hope that you have a pleasant shooting day at the Bathurst Rifle Club's Open Prize Meet.